All right, folks, we got going on here. I'm going to be fishing a Kessler rod out here. We got our 20-pound fluorocarbon, and this is our tungsten weights, and I'm running 2 beads, and we're going to be fishing the 10-inch lizard. And what you're going to want to do, take that lizard, run it on down, take it to kind of the top of the hook, and then poke it out. Run that on up through there, pop it out the top, just Texas rig it, and stick that hook right down in there, make it nice and flush, and there you have it. So Get-Hooked Magic Baits 10-inch lizard. That's a watermelon red. This is our fluorocarbon, 20-pound fluorocarbon we're running right here, and we're going to give it a shot. And then we also have our Get-Hooked Magic Baits hats. We've got our Get-Hooked Magic Bait gloves, and these have been put to use the last year. I finally ripped a hole in the side of the thumb right there. The Get-Hooked Magic Baits arm sleeves. We just launched these online. Of course, the Get-Hooked Magic Bait tank top. And we're just going to see what kind of magic we can do out here today, folks, and give it a shot and see what happens.